Around 7 schools in the outskirts of Bengaluru city received bomb threats through email. The police swung into action, and the initial investigations revealed that it could mostly be a hoax. However, children were taken to safe places and the schools were evacuated. The email read, "A very powerful bomb has been planted in your school. Attention, it is not a joke. This is not a joke. A very powerful bomb has been planted in your school. Immediately call the police and sappers. Hundreds of lives may suffer, including yours. Do not delay. Now everything is only in your hands." Police team and bomb squads were sent to all the schools for checks.